There's only about 150 people maybe living in town. Best thing about living in this community is the people and the community itself. I can't see myself living anywhere else. My name is Glenn Lowry. I'm from Darlingford, Manitoba, and I'm a cow-calf producer.
We moved into the old farmhouse. It was built in 1915, and we raised our 3 boys there. Everything that we do here on the farm is very much geared toward protecting what we have here, this diamond in the rough that we call home. And we try to produce the healthiest product that we can for the consumers of Manitoba and Canada.
My philosophy is to try and raise as much grass per square foot on every piece of land that we can, and doing that, try to keep our land healthy, cows healthy, me happy. The grazing system we use is called mob grazing. So basically what I do is I move the cows every day. So that's really beneficial to the land and to the grass and the cows too. They look forward to seeing me and my dog come out in the morning to go out to move them for the day. The longer we can leave the cows out, actually they are on the land 365 days of the year. They're either getting fed hay by bale grazing or bale rings, however I see fit, or grazing throughout the entire year, which is incredible. That keeps all the nutrients from the cattle out on the land where it needs to be. The research project, we've teamed up with Agriculture Agri-Food Canada, a guy named Dr. Aaron Glenn, and what we're doing is research on the amount of carbon sequestration from the atmosphere to the ground compared to the methane that's expelled by the cows. And we've done that. I think this is our 4th year, and so far the benefits are very good. The uptake of carbon so far has been very positive compared to the methane release of the cows. We like farming in tandem with nature because working against Mother Nature never works, so we've adapted. We used to calve earlier in the wintertime, and I kept getting later and later, so now calving on grass is very nice.
Farming in a sustainable way, I think that the people before us probably tried to do the exact same thing. And I think we owe them that. And we owe that to our future, to farm so it's still here. And the environment is changing so much that I think we have to change too and move in time so it's still here.
What I enjoy most about being a farmer is stepping out into my office every day, right here. And there's nothing better than walking out in the morning and the birds are chirping and you see a deer toodalooing along, and it's very rewarding to see what you've done and see some results as well. We got married in 1988, and since then we've been on our local hall committee. So that's been quite a few years, and also I'm a part of our local fire department since 1995.
The Darlingford Fall Supper has a long history. We usually plan for around 400 people. Sometimes we feed more than that, sometimes less than that. It's a great fundraiser for our hall. So yeah, it's a lot of work, but it is well worth it at the end of the day. It's so well supported by the surrounding communities. And we have such an amazing core of people that have so much history tied to the community that it makes it so fantastic.
Volunteers are huge. That's the backbone of every small community, and we want it to maintain the way it is and try and make it a better place.